Good day. I am Sarah Jane Misanis from Bachelor of Science in Biology 2B. For our third and final laboratory assessment in evolutionary biology, I am tasked to explain how I answered the laboratory activity number 12 under Unit 12, which entitled Human Evolution. So before anything else, let us first define and understand what is human evolution. Human evolution is the evolutionary process within the history of primates that led to the emergence of Homo sapiens as a distinct species of hominid family, which includes the great apes. This process involved the gradual development of traits such as human bipedalism and language, as well as interbreeding with other hominins, which indicate that human evolution was not linear but a web. So human evolution, from its first separation from the last common ancestor of humans and chimpanzee, are characterized by a number of morphological, developmental, physiological, and behavioral changes. The most significant of these adaptations, or bipedalism, increased of brain size, lengthened ontogeny, gestation and infancy, and decreased sexual dimorphism. The relationship between these changes is the subject of ongoing debate. One of the earliest defining human traits is bipedalism. The ability to walk on two legs evolved over 4 million years ago. Humans are primates. Physical and genetic similarities show that the modern human species, Homo sapiens, has a very close relationship to another group of primates, species, the apes. Humans and great apes, specifically the large apes of Africa, chimpanzees including bonobos, or so-called pygmy, chimpanzees and gorillas, share a common ancestor that lived between 8 and 6 million years ago. Humans first evolved in Africa, and much of human evolution occurred on that particular continent. The fossils of early humans who lived between 6 and 2 million years ago come entirely from Africa. The laboratory activity number 12 is the one that is assigned to me, this final laboratory assessment. And laboratory activity number 12 is all about knuckle walking and fist walking among other animals. And why is it that it only evolved in these animals? What are the advantages it brings? And why I think that humans lost this trait? And lastly, what does this trait indicate about the difference in animals have for their forelimbs? The problem of the usage of the forelimbs was resolved by the knuckle walking and fist walking. This is used as a specified tool hands in apes and as a weight-bearing structures for their motion. So knuckle walking is a form of walking called quadrupedal, in which the forelimbs hold the fingers in a particular flex posture that allows the body weight to press down the ground through the knuckles. This locomotion styles is used by the chimpanzees and gorillas, as well as the anteaters and platypus. Mountain gorillas use knuckle walking plus their hands. The fist walking does not use the knuckles. Instead, it uses the backs of their hand and their palms. I think it only evolves to these animals because they need it. They need it in order to survive, in the environment where they live. Knuckle walking tends to evolve when the fingers of the forelimbed are specialized for tasks other than locomotion on the ground. This is very useful to them. In the gorilla, the fingers are used for the manipulation of food and also for climbing. Anthropologists thought that the common ancestors of chimpanzees and humans engaged in knuckle walking. And from knuckle walking, humans evolved to upright walking, and this thought are supported reanalysis of overlooked features on human fossils. Scientists discovered Ardipithecus ramidus, a human-like hominid descendant from common ancestor of chimpanzees and humans. Armidus engaged in upright walking but not knuckle walking after they split from humans over 6 million years ago. And humans evolved upright walking without knuckle walking. That would be all. Thank you so much and have a great day.